Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to make eggless red velvet cake. I hope you guys enjoy it. So in our bowl, sifting flour, powdered sugar, baking soda and baking powder, and cocoa powder with salt, all into one big bowl. We sift to get rid of any particles that we don't want. So I'll stir everything together and set aside. I'm going to do our liquid ingredient in one bowl as well. So we have buttermilk. If you want to know how to make homemade buttermilk, I'll link here a card, recipe card above. You can click on it and check. It's very easy. So buttermilk, um, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and we stir everything together. And make sure it's almost done. Now is the time for us to add our food color. This is up to you, depending on the quantity, how red you want your cake to be. So just add it and mix it till it's well incorporated, but not over mixing. So our butter is ready. So I'm using this mini pans for baking today. So all I'm doing is just greasing it well so that I can easily take the big cakes out of them. And using an large ice cream scoop, just scoop into the fold, and what is left I will share on among it as well. Our cake is ready to go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. I'm using 350 preheated oven. So whilst our cakes are baking, we are making our glaze, and that's powdered sugar, 1¼ cups. Then we have 2 ounces or 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, a teaspoon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to mix everything together until well incorporated and smooth. And 1 tablespoon of milk. As you can see, it's a bit thick, so I'll just add more milk as needed to achieve the consistency I want. These are our cakes. They've been in the oven for some few minutes now and they've cooled completely. So it's time for us to glaze them. This is our icing, and I've gone ahead to add a few tablespoons to it to just make it a bit spreadable so that it can drip by the sides a little bit. So as I said, you start with 1 tablespoon, add more as you want to achieve. So with this I've added 2 tablespoons more, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. So as you can see, it's really easy to just spread on the cakes and push it to the edges so that it can um, drip a little bit for a pleasing presentable cake. Yeah, hi guys, if you are still here and you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, you can also leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you. So this is our cake. Now we're going to add sprinkles. So this obviously Valentine, but you can custom this sprinkles to match your celebration, and it's perfectly fine. So let's give it a cut and see how the inside looks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. And thank you for always watching. Thank you to all my subscribers as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.